அலகாபாத் வங்கி இந்தியன் வங்கியினுடன் இணைக்கப்பட்டது. அது தொடர்பாக அலகாபாத் வங்கி நொலம்பூர் கிளை இந்தியன் வங்கியினுடைய நொலம்பூர் கிளையில் இணைக்கப்பட்ட இந்த விழாவினை இன்று எங்கள் வங்கியினுடைய செயல் இயக்குனர் திரு எம்.கே. பட்டாச்சாரியா அவர்கள் திறந்து வைத்திருக்கிறார்கள். தனது உரையில் அவர் என்ன சொன்னார்னா, 2 சமநிலையில் இருக்கக்கூடிய வங்கிகள் ஒன்றாக சேர்ந்திருக்கின்றன. இதனால் ஏற்படக்கூடிய பயன் வாடிக்கையாளர்களுக்கு குறைந்த செலவிலே கடன் திட்டங்களும் டெபாசிட் திட்டங்களும் கிடைக்கும் என்பதாகும். ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட உயர்ந்த கிளாஸ் பேங்கிங்காக இல்லாமல் அனைவரையும் உள்ளடக்கிய ஒரு மாஸ் பேங்கிங்காக இந்த வங்கி செயல்படும் என்றும், இந்த இந்தியன் வங்கியானது அனைத்து வாடிக்கையாளர்களுக்கும் ஒரு தரமான சேவையை முன்னெடுத்து செல்லும் என்றும் தெரிவித்திருக்கிறார்கள். கொரோனா காலத்திலையுமே நாங்கள் அனைத்து சமூக இடைவெளிகளை பின்பற்றுவதோடு மட்டுமல்லாமல் வங்கிகளிலே சானிடைசர் உட்பட அனைத்து பொருட்களையும் வைத்திருக்கிறோம். கொரோனாவிற்கென்றே சிறப்பான திட்டங்களை இந்தியன் வங்கி அறிமுகப்படுத்தி இருக்கிறது. அது எம்எஸ்எம்இ கஸ்டமர்களுக்கு கோவிட் ஸ்பெஷல் லோன் என்று கொடுத்திருக்கின்றோம். அது இல்லாமல் சேலரி கிளாஸ் லோன் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். அப்புறம் எஸ்எஸ்ஜிஸுக்கும் கோவிட் லோன்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கோம். இது இல்லாமல் எம்எஸ்எம்இக்கு ஒரு 20% அரசாங்க உத்தரவாதத்துடன் கூடிய கடன்களையும் கொடுத்திருக்கிறோம். கிட்டத்தட்ட 5000 கோடி ரூபாய் 5000 crores GECLS என்று சொல்லக்கூடிய கவர்மெண்ட்டினுடைய மத்திய அரசாங்கத்துடைய உத்தரவாதத்தின் கீழே நாங்கள் கொடுத்திருக்கிறோம். எம்எஸ்எம்இ துறைக்கு எங்களது எக்ஸிக்யூட்டிவ் டைரக்டர் தலைவராக இருக்கிறார். அவருடைய சீரிய தலைமையின் கீழ் வங்கி தொடர்ந்து இது போன்ற கடன் உதவிகளை செய்து கொண்டிருக்கோம். எஸ், 2 விதமாக பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ODOCC என்று சொல்லக்கூடிய திட்டங்களில் 6 மாதத்திற்கான வட்டியை தனியாக எடுத்து FITL என்று தனியாக கொடுத்திருக்கிறார்கள். அதை 3 தவணைகளில் ஜனவரி முதல் மார்ச் வரை செலுத்தலாம். மீதி இந்த 6 மாத காலத்துக்கு வங்கிக்கு, அதாவது வாகனக்கடன், வீட்டுக்கடன் ஆகியவற்றை வாங்கியவர்களுக்கு 6 மாதம் தள்ளி போகும். இப்போ உதாரணமாக ஒருத்தர் 10 வருஷத்துக்கு ஒரு லோன் வாங்கியிருந்தாருன்னா 10 வருஷம் 6 மாதம் அது மாதிரி அது தள்ளி போகும். அது அந்த வகையில் இவர்கள் கட்டாயம் இந்த காலகட்டத்தில் தேவையில்லை.
மேடம் ரன் பண்ணுறேன்.
Our Executive Director, Shri Bhattacharya sir, all my colleagues, General Managers, staff, and most importantly, the member on our Customer Service Committee, Mr. Shetty sir, who had graced this occasion on our special request. Otherwise, generally, you would have not come to this. He belongs to Ambattur estate. He came on our special request. And some of the MSME customers also we invited, because our Bhattacharya sir is the in charge of MSME department and is the man behind the growth of MSME in critical, very difficult times. He is giving a lot of changes in policies and products to suit to the present new normal environment. So that is the reason we asked some of the MSME customers and the staff of both the branches. So EAB Nolambur and this Indian Bank branch. Sir, first of all, let me congratulate the branch manager and the team efforts. 3 days back, I wonder whether I have come to the same branch. The way I think it is tremendous the effort they would have put to bring to this shape. I was really upset when I came 3 days back here, and I was almost lost my patience seeing the outside environment, lot of animals, lot of waste outside and all. Today the environment inside, thanks to issues. In the beginning, customer may be getting more recognition there. Once he come here, may not get that recognition. That fear will be there. So like this, we have to give good treatment to both the branch customers. There is no Indian Bank, there is no Allahabad Bank. We are all one now. So anybody coming into the premises is like a very important for us, and we have to receive. And they should never get a feeling that after amalgamation we are not getting due recognition in the new entity. It cannot be. Neither the staff of Allahabad Bank nor the customer of the Allahabad Bank will have this kind of discriminatory feeling. They should feel that the government of India has done a best job and they are feeling proud to work here. That environment is to be created by Indian Bank staff and Indian Bank executives, because they are all new people coming and joining us. So give the best treatment to Indian Bank, erstwhile Allahabad Bank customers also. They will bring their own new people, their own friends and relatives, so that business will grow. This is known for growing areas. Lot of huge, this housing projects are coming in this place. Huge potential is there for home loans, right? Because Padi and Ambattur in MSME branches are taking care of industrial advances, MSMEs. You can really focus on retail, like home loans, like education loan, or any other personal segment products, so that you can give good service, and a lot of deposits flow is there now in residential areas. By your good service, you will get good CASA. CASA is the enabler and lifeline of the banks in the future. Okay, you focus on that kind of business, and today we are all lucky, feel very happy to receive our executive director sir in spite of his busy schedule. The moment we go and ask, he loves to meet the staff and customers. That is the great big heart he has got. Whenever he come out, he will take care of customers, what is their requirement, what are their suggestions, and he will go back and implement those suggestions given by the customer for the betterment of products and policies. That's why sir has agreed, and we are very grateful to you, sir. In spite of our busy schedule, you have come here. And this is the third in today's schedule. Already we have completed 2 branches declared open in amalgamation. And afternoon, Unmali Jadam is going to have one more in Tiruvallur. Tiruvallur EAB is coming to Tiruvallur Indian Bank premises. We are having an opposite model also. For example, we are having the Venkatapuram branch. There Indian Bank is getting close going to EAB branch. Both are same for us. It's not whichever premises is good. Whichever premises is going to give more good experience to the customer, that premises we are keeping, and we are moving all the lockers and all without inconvenience. And we are keeping one of our staff members as a mark of respect from Indian Bank. I want to
what we have to take forward and happen, and it will continue to happen. One thing is that I don't I think what is happening in mission is 2 equals are coming together, more efficient, better product, better services, and less inconvenience to the existing branch where it is getting amalgamated with the another existing branch, so that people, because this is how the things are. So that's keeping in that in view. If I keep my colleagues that we are only employees of the bank, but who are the major stakeholders? The shareholders, the customers, they are the major stakeholders. The society per se, the government, these are the people. So everybody needs one product for being serviced. I understand that FGMS talk that we have special branches for MSMEs. But it doesn't mean that this branch cannot serve, they can link. Also the lead can come, these branches can give the lead. The other branches, they are might less the cost of pricing of your product. The pricing of the product depends on the operating cost. That is the gain on the entire banking arena. It is whether it is private banks, whether it is the public sector banks, it is a cooperative bank, whether it is a rural RRBs, everything, this cost depends on your pricing of your product, loan product, giving the interest rate on the type of. FG was talking the CASA means that is current account in savings bank account, what the other customers we are little bit banking term there he has used. I'll just make it more simpler. less the cost on a particular liability product, I can give it in another liability product a more. Less the cost, more the pricing, better in the liability, and cost in respect of loan products are coming, it will come down. So this is what the intention of the bank. So now that is one. Another is the overlapping expenditure. Two branches doing 100 crores business, one branch doing all these 200 crores business. Ultimately, we saving some of the fixed operating cost and some other cost which I could avoid without inconveniencing the customers. That's the way of our thinking process. It doesn't mean that by amalgamation, the employment in the banking sector comes down. Absolutely not. More technology, more people engaged, more demand, growing the GDP going more. May not be this year, but in coming future, this is. And we have learned in this COVID pandemic how to work differently. Same work, different ways. Different ways either through BCs or to contact the customer through various models and delivering their product. May not be in a position to deliver their entire product, but for MSMEs who are here, the regulator has also given the dispensation that if there is a break in their operation, how to come out of those break and how to cover that type of product is also has come from for the bank and for the customer. And it has come from the regulator. Government of India, state government is also helping, and we are also engaged with the state government so that how I reach the various strata of the people actually, whether it is a rural mass, whether it is a semi-urban mass, whether it is a urban mass or is a metropolitan mass. Everywhere the presence of banking is there, and as a, I'll just tell that this is the Indian Bank is, I always tell that only the bank actually. So naturally, it is your bank. I am only a service agent in this bank. That is what I feel, and I believe that my customers are one of the best customers in the banking arena, and we will continue to move forward that further of their delight. So for their delight, I am there. My colleagues are there. I promise here, and this branch will further flourish, and everybody will get its own service. Whether we are doing mass banking, we can't tell that I can pick and choose the customer. That's not our. That's the how the public sector player should be there, and government is also initiating a lot of measures. I believe that all the customers today or tomorrow they come to know that what are the for the MSME customers there are products there for the retail customer, particularly the pensioners, the new people who are senior citizens. All these products are already available here. So I believe that people will take advantage of those products at a very competitive pricing. Thank you everybody for giving me the opportunity. I again wish that this branch will flourish. My colleagues from ELB or from IB, whatever it may be, they will see that the customers are going with a satisfactory mood after they leave the door of this branch. Thank you. Thank you everybody.